Hi, welcome to another unboxing of the new iPad. This is one of the videos, one of the gazillion videos on YouTube. I got this from Singapore. This is the 16 gig 3G Wi-Fi model. Okay, I'm gonna unwrap and show you what's inside. Okay, now we can unwrap this. I'm gonna show what's inside. It's a bit easy, much more easier than those guys with it on YouTube. Let's see what's inside. That's this stuff. It's in the shop, but it's quite heavy, but actually it's not. It's sweet. It's iPad. I'm not gonna show this later. Let's see what's inside. It's nothing much. This is this for the micro SIM. Some stuff inside. Stickers. For this, sweet, and look at this. Nothing else. Stuff it here. Have those. I don't know. You just keep the box. Okay, I've switched off my iMac. Now I think you can see this clearly. I think I need to switch it around more. There we go. Put it up here. The screen. What else? What else? What are you looking for? Oh, it's like an iPhone.
You want me to come over, I got an excuse. Might be holding your hand, but I'm holding it loose. Go to talk, then we choke, it's like our necks in the noose. Avoid the obvious, we should be facing the truth. Start to think it could be fizzling down. Kind of shocked because I never really had any doubts. Look into your eyes, imagine life without you. The love kick starts again. Starts again. The love kick starts again. Starts again. It's the same old you, the same old me. You get bored and I get cold feet. Get high, get wandering eyes. Forget I've never ever had it so sweet. I realize where I'm going, I'm out of town. Cause deep down you're my girl in the golden crown. My princess and I don't wanna let you down. No, I don't wanna let you down. Down, 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 down. You want me to come over, I got an excuse. Might be holding your hand, but I'm holding it loose. Go to talk, then we choke, it's like our necks in the noose. Avoid the obvious, we should be facing the truth. Start to think it could be fizzling now. Kinda shocked because I never really had any doubts. Look into your eyes, imagine life without you.
I'll just wait for the video. Should be the night. See you guys.
again. Starts again. And the love kick starts again. Starts again. Kick starts. It's the same old you, the same old me. You get bored and I get cold feet. Get high, get wandering eyes. Forget I've never ever had it so sweet. I realize what I've got when I'm out of town. Cause deep down you're my girl in a golden crown. My princess and I don't wanna let you down. Kick starts again. Start to think it could be fizzling now. Kinda shocked because I never really had any doubts. Look into your eyes, imagine life without you. And the love kick starts again. And the love kick starts again.
Now there's a screen.
Starts again.
Okay.
Love kick
It's an
starts
iPad.
again. Starts again.
And it is.
Kick starts. It's the same
So I'm just wait for another video. Shall be the iPhone 4. See you guys soon.